this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you another drawstring ponytail wig review. It is by Freetress EQUAL. It is this beautiful little natural fro that I have here. Let's turn around to the back. You can see it actually a little bit better. It is a huge fro. I got this and wanted to try this and see what it looked like and how natural it looked. I had another one that's actual big fro, and I wanted just to see, I think that one was by Outrage, and I just wanted to see the variations and the hair texture, so I picked this one up. It was fairly inexpensive. I'll leave all of the information about it listed below, so be sure to go click there so that you can get links to where you can pick this up if you like it. Also, to any of my other ponytail wig unboxing and reviews, just click this little eye up here in this top corner or link below, and you can check out my other reviews as well for drawstring ponytails if you're interested in that. So if you would like to see the unboxing of this unit, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this unit and see what we get. And this is in the color P430. So it has a nice little bit of red, strawberries, reddish, auburn type of highlights. The curl texture on this is not extremely tight. As you can see, it's more of a looser curl. It is kind of full, but the curls are not tight, and there is a lot of frizz already to the unit. I think the other one that I had reviewed actually had a much tighter curl to it than this. So if you're looking for a looser curl texture for afro, this may be the unit for you. We'll see once it gets on. This is, it says it's a protective style. And the inside of it, it has your curl instructions and the inside of the stock card. Let's see what it looks like in the inside. This one actually has bigger combs, and it looks like the combs are actually on the side of the ponytail. And these combs look like they may be about an inch and a half, or maybe an inch or so wide. Let's check and see that to be for sure. Yeah, they're about an inch and a half wide, these combs. And the other one, they were an inch. So these are an inch and a half. The cap is that stretchable, breathable mesh material. And the tracks are sewn onto it. And we do have the drawstring pull to tighten it up, as you can see, and then the tag is on a different end than the drawstring, and usually the tag is at the bottom as well as the drawstring, but I'm assuming they have this drawstring at the top, or they just put the tag in the incorrect place. I don't know, but it's up to you how you want it. I personally will put this tag at the bottom because a lot of times they do like to show. But let's see how they have it sewn. Oh, actually the tags and the drawstring is on the side, because as you can see, they usually put the hair where it flips under, so when you wear it in a ponytail, it comes back and covers, so they sew it up under it. So that is generally at the top. So they do have the combs at the top and at the bottom. And this is actually the top part of it, because this is where it goes back. And when you look at the bottom where the other comb is, it is not like that. You can see the string where it pulls and makes it tighter, so you can see that. So this is the top and this is the bottom, and then the drawstring and the tag go on the side of your ponytail. So I am going to take off the ponytail that I have on. It's the ponytail that I did last week, but I just have it pinned up. I'm going to take that off and put this on. So if you would like to see the try on, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, I have that ponytail off. Now I'm going to take this and put it on. I'm going to take and place it over my current ponytail. I'm going to tuck in the combs. And let me find the drawstring. There it is. It's on this side. I'm going to pull it tight, as tight as I can stand it, and then move the little button thing, hold it in, and move it up as close as I can get it. Oop, that's tight. And then as always, I personally like to wrap this little string around just for some added security. And when I wrap it around, I connect it onto the drawstring pull. And sometimes I wrap it twice. It just depends upon how tight it already is and how comfortable that feels on my head. This one, I don't know if I can wrap it twice. Let's see, without giving me a headache. I'm going to try it though. Yeah, I can do it twice. And I'm just going to take a bobby pin and just pin that little string up into my hairline, and then pick out, oh, this is cute. And again, you can put this in as close to the front of your hairline as you want it, or as far back. I like to wear mine further back. This will look good though, either area, if you have it a little bit closer up. On the picture, it looks like they have it pretty much about where I have it. They might have it up a little bit closer to the front of their head than I do, but it's based on your personal preference, and if you want it on your neck or not, depends on how far your hairline grows down, or how short your neck is, shall I say. But this actually gets really big. It is really lightweight, so I don't think that it will sweat you really bad if you have it hanging down on your neck. But it's very full. The hair texture does not look human, but it's passable. It doesn't look too bad as like a wig. It's not the best hair that I've seen on a ponytail, because some of them do look pretty realistic. This one is not as realistic as some that I have, but it's not that bad either. I'm going to turn around and look at it and see. I like how it's pulled out, what it looks like on the side. I'm not for sure what it looks like in the part that's actually covering the ponytail. It doesn't feel like a tremendous amount of hair is in that area that's covering the ponytail, but hopefully it's enough to cover it so you can't see your actual lump from where you put your ponytail in. So let me turn around and let you guys see that, because I actually really like this unit, and it was very inexpensive. No, it doesn't look bad at all. The color is not evenly distributed throughout, as you can see, but it looks kind of natural as far as how the placement is. Because sometimes when you go get your hair colored, it's not always symmetrical. Some stylists are good about doing that, but a lot of times they aren't. They just like grabbing hair. I try to, because I'm kind of OCD about that, but it just all depends. But I really like this hair. It's very lightweight. Very lightweight. So that is it for this unit. Please thumbs up the video if you like these wig reviews. If you have any specific wig that you would like me to review, please comment below and let me know. I'll try my best to get that into my rotation. If you would like to see me make a different style using this wig, please comment below and let me know that as well. Thumbs up the video. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. Be sure to click on that little eye up here in the corner up here, and it will link you to the rest of my wig reviews. I will leave a link to my drawstring ponytail playlist so that you can check out others if you are interested in that. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.